So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is a beautiful afternoon here in Pennsylvania. And I'll tell you what, although it's only August right now, it's starting to feel an awful lot like fall. It really is. Nice cool afternoon here. Perfect weather to get some things done outside. And I have a whole bunch of stuff I want to get done. I'm trying to kind of get set up for the weekend, so I want to take care of a bunch of little stuff here this afternoon. One thing I need to do, I need to go out to the mini cabin there, kind of button some things up on it before we move on to the next phase of that, which will be steps, the floor, start framing, but it's coming along well, and I'm really excited about it. It's going to be really, really nice. So I need to do that. I need to fix up our driveway a little bit. That'll only take me about 10 minutes with the land plane on the RK55. We got hammered with a big storm the other night, so kind of tore that up. Need to move some firewood baskets around and get them in place because they're going to sit for at least a year. I'll do that. I need to do a little bit of mowing, just all sorts of stuff. So if any of those kind of things interest you, stick around. We're going to be talking tractors, cabins, mowers, who knows what, but we have a lot to do. Right now, Melissa and Eva, they're out school shopping, so we'll see how that goes. See how many bags they come back with. I always kind of get a little nervous when they go school shopping, but hopefully it works out okay because her school's coming right up. Like I said, fall is right around the corner. And then I think Melissa will be helping me out in the cabin later on. But yeah, we got all kind of stuff going on, so stick around and we'll see how it goes. So I wanted to mention, I'm running this Exmark Laser Z mower. This is one of the demos from Fletcher's Outdoor Power Equipment. I've used it twice so far, I think, and it is wicked fast. It is really, really fast. And something about this that I can't quite figure out why or how, but like I ran it down to my sister's the other day, and I got that long trail from here down to the pond, and it was a little bit wet. And this mower handled it really, really well. I mean, I wasn't sliding. I came right back up the hill. I can't figure it out if it's the tires or, they look about the same, or the weight, how it's balanced. I don't know. I can't figure it out, but it did really, really well going down that trail and coming back up. I know on the Bad Boy, I could never do that. And that Bad Boy is not comparable to this one. This is a commercial mower here, but I don't know what it is. If you guys know much about Exmarks or whatever, it does a lot better on the hills. It really does. I haven't tried mowing that one steep bank down there, but I will. But anyway, that's it for the mowing. Now we're going to touch up the driveway. So it looks a lot better, but at some point here, I'm going to have to take some of this stone off of here, actually. What's happening is, all the heavy rains we had this year, I'm losing all my fines, and I'm ending up with basically 2B limestone, is what we call it around here. So it's like 1.5 inch clean rock, and that doesn't work very good on hills. This started out as 2A limestone, which is like 1.5 inch down to dust. But like I said, you get all those heavy rains, eventually you need to do something with it. But for now, it's pretty decent shape. I say it all the time, land plane for those quick, easy fixes on your driveway. There's Trapper Melissa's trap over there. No fox. But you know what? I was thinking, after that whole deal the other night when I was chasing him through the yard, throwing rocks and screaming, he may be taking a break for a couple days before he comes back. I think he's as traumatized as we were from the whole experience. Not sure. I'll tell you what, it is a beautiful night out here tonight. Just, oh, it's so nice and cool. Just perfect. So here comes Melissa. We'll ask her about the fox trap that we passed, the empty fox trap on the way back. Did you notice your fox trap on the way out?
Yeah.
Look, behind you.
Aww.
I don't know if you can see that over there, guys, with that little camera. There's a deer just walking through right there. Couldn't care less that we're here. You just came from that way.
Yeah. And here's the talking.
Oh, there's a couple of them. There's another one right in front of it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It's getting dark.
Okay.
So a few people commented in the last video, Melissa, about, you said Cliff's off the Christmas card list because
Oh, really?
he doesn't think we'll get the fox. And they're like, remember, Cliff's got the swimming pool. You know what I mean? So you may want to be careful with that.
Ah, I didn't read that. Okay.
Yeah, so they have a point. You know what I mean?
Well, I can't wait to hear from Jeannie.
Yeah. Well, I figured this way, though. Cliff can come hang out here in the little mini cabin. That's almost an even up trade for some pool time.
Almost.
Yeah.
Jeannie's my best friend, so.
Yeah, Cliff's wife and Jeannie and Melissa are really good friends. They're hard on one another, though. They are. They tease one another. Just like that video we did the other day, poking fun and things like that. Melissa and Jeannie are the same way.
Well, yesterday, our daughter-in-law, Kate, is pregnant and due in October. And just not feeling good, you know. I go, Kate, let's go swimming. So we went to Cliff and Jeannie's, went swimming. And I got there before Kate, and I pulled the garbage can, the Cliff and Jeannie's garbage can up the driveway. And we swam, and later I said to Jeannie in a text, thanks so much, Kate really enjoys being able to swim. And then it rained and we had to leave. But she goes, oh, and tell Kate thanks for pulling the garbage can up the driveway. She goes, because I know you wouldn't do it. I'm like, so in all honesty, she always makes me laugh. She's a good person. And if this makes a video, I want to see if she watches them. So she'll be sure to text me or send me some sort of a message if she sees it. Jeannie, I know I'm your best friend.
So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's Friday night.
Yeah.
Hannah is actually not going anywhere tonight.
Hallelujah.
So what do you say?
There must be a root or something in this.
What do you say we head to the house and maybe get cleaned up and go to dinner?
I'd love to. Let's go somewhere different.
Yeah.
We say that all the time.
We end up at the same place. Well, do you want to head over to the house? I'm just going to put a few more joist hangers up. I'll come over and we'll get cleaned up.
Yeah.
Go to dinner.
Yeah.
Have a Friday night date night.
Oh boy.
Although, you know, it's like an hour from our bedtime.
I know, right?
It's like,
And it's so pretty out here. One, it's so quiet. We talked about this the other day. It's so quiet and peaceful.
yeah,
But like the sun peeking as the sun sets, it just
Yeah.
it hits through those trees.
I'll
and
give you a
it
look around.
looks like something's on fire
Melissa is always working, always doing something.
Well, I'm not doing very well. There's roots involved in this that's making it difficult.
Well, I'll finish that up, miss. You can go over and get ready. I won't be too far behind you.
Okay. Okay, so if you like these videos, click like, the subscribe. You can click the bell so you'll get notifications when we post a video, and share them with your friends. We'll see you on the next one.